Holding dialogue with the regions is at the heart of Andra's mission. From the beginning, the Cigeo Disposal Facility project has been developed through discussions with local stakeholders and residents. Since the public debate in 2013, Andra has regularly brought together local residents, elected officials, local authorities, government departments, farmers, representatives of companies and associations, and all interested persons to plan together for the project. And the relevant project owners do the same for the facilities under their responsibility. These meetings are placed under the aegis of guarantors appointed by the National Public Debate Commission to ensure that the consultation is conducted in good faith. A roadmap organises the consultation programme. It ensures that the process is adapted to the challenges and the lifetime of the project. It is shared with stakeholders and covers 3 main areas: integration in the environment in the region, repository design, the governance of Cigeo. The first area has been discussed in meetings and broken down into 4 subjects: water cycle, energy, transport infrastructure, spatial planning and quality of life. Here are the conclusions of this first stage of consultation. Discussions on the water cycle have focused on the release of non-radioactive liquid effluent into local waterways, provided that the quality of the releases and the characteristics of the waterways permit. Discussions on the energy requirements of Cigeo have favoured biomass and synergies with existing heat networks. And a second consultation, carried out by RTE, defined the location of the electrical substation that will connect up to the electrical grid. The subject relating to transport infrastructure was broken down into 2 parts. For the intersite connection between the 2 Cigeo service zones, participants were in favour of pooled infrastructure consisting of a partially buried conveyor system coupled with a road link. For the private railway siding, which is to transport radioactive waste packages, the requests focused on the reopening of roads to be planned and the preservation of agricultural crossings. Finally, Andra presented the major issues concerning spatial planning and quality of life, and the Ministry for Ecological Transition held a consultation on the harmonisation of planning documents in order to incorporate the changes brought about by the Cigeo project. All these exchanges with the general public and the lessons that Andra draws from the consultation process are available online in the Andra consultation area. Dialogue is ongoing on the topic of spatial planning and quality of life, and new dialogue sessions are on the horizon, particularly on the industrial pilot phase and the governance of Cigeo. Because making choices that have an impact lasting millions of years requires at least thousands of opinions.